Okay guys, this is the unboxing I promised to. All that comes in is that, and I'm assuming, what's that? Oh, warranty card. Ooh. Two years warranty, 5-star membership. Wow, this thing's very, it's actually built quite nice. Look at it. I love the buttons. Oh, look at this. Look, it's even got braided cable, look. Look at that braided cable. That looks lovely. Fair play. Not bad for £30. Not bad at all. Not bad at all for £30. You want to see it lit up? Huh? You want to see it lit up? Because I do. I definitely do. Right then, go. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that looks lush. It's not actually flashing, if you ask me. Not doing that. It's weird. Why is it doing this? Aha, right. What does everyone think of that? Eh? Wow, look at that! Look at that! Guys, so that's the unboxing of my new personal keyboard, TeckNet Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Now, the key sound brilliantly lovely to me. This is the first time of me ever having a mechanical keyboard, so please bear with me. The buttons feel lovely to me. The RGB is subtle, but obviously it's only got like 3-4 modes. But for £30 in the UK, there's nothing wrong with £30. I mean, that's a bargain. I reckon that's a bargain for 30 quid. Now, I bought a new keyboard for one reason. My other one was starting to play up. This one I thought, bugger it. I've never had mechanical, so I thought, try it. RGB isn't so bad. It gives me a headache sometimes, but I'm just going to leave it on a stagnated colour, and that's it. That's just stay there. But, yeah. Right. Need any PC components? Do you need a PC chair? Do you need a PC pre-built? Do you want the best PC services in the United Kingdom? Well, if that's the case, go and check out overclockers.co.uk. The link for that will be in the description. There's a 10% discount on the first orders as long as you put in Welshie. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. There's more coming. This is Welshie out.